Hello, Professor. My name is Vishal Chawda, and here I'm presenting my functionality of my to-do application. So, as I started again, my name is Vishal Chawda, student number 200520835, and the course name is COMP 3025 Mobile and Pursuing Computing. And this is the assignment for the functionality of the to-do application, and the due date is 11th August 2024. Here's my photo as the introduction part. This application is the design to help the user manage and to the daily tasks. It allows user to create, edit, and delete the tasks at the real-time updates as well. And I'm using for this one the local storage database, room database, and the purpose of the application is simple as well. The purpose of the application provide a simple and the intuitive to the task management, and the primary goals to user-friendly interface and the real-time synchronize the booster task management feature. The technology I use, as I said earlier, Android Studio, Room Database, Java Kotlin View Data, and Live Data as well. So, and here's my first look of my application. So as you can see over here, and now I'm turning to Android Studio. As the first, I will start the run and then I will explain it one by one of it. So it's building right now. So now I think it's done. So as you see over here, here's my task which is I need to complete. So I mark it over here as a green, but now I will edit it like that. So and now I will create, like, if you'll see, I will change it to it has a date, and I will update it. So it over here, and I click over here, then I will allow to edit it, that thing is again. Then I will is pending today. So this is the data which I already created, and now I will show you how I'm updating this as well. So let's try the new one. So I will add the new one over here with that button as well. So now let's create a tomorrow you have exam, and then make a notes for like uh, computer 3025 exam Tuesday as you will see, and I make it over here the 13. It Let's try the due date as well, and I make it task type as a work, and I will update it. So you will see as a due date, as I mark, it's turn it out as a green, but when I check mark, it's turn it out as a gun. So it's completed, it's not completed as well. If you see over here, and so now I will show you how I update the task as well. So you will see it's pending over here today. So I will clarify this pending as well, and I make it as a done. I make it done. So it's 11 July as well. I can update this one as well. It goes down. I will update it. So now it's all two are done as a check mark, and it's not done yet. So I will make it like that as well. And yeah, I make it like that. The I am showing you the back button. See over here, and then okay, that's it. So for today, and now I will delete this task. So I'm going over here, just delete. This is asking me how you want to delete the task, and it's deleted as well. And that's it for here. So that's it for the. I think it's done for the uh, demonstration part over here. Now I will go to the task demo as well. So here is my first step of the. So here I completed, like, I created the entity class like that, data class, it has the integer, title as a string, is completed as a boolean, it has a due date as well, and the task type and notes. So I was planning to add a due time as well, but it won't be possible for the one. And for the this one assignment, I am using the room database. So yeah, so then I will go to the task dot data access. So here I created the update, delete, query, and the insert flex. The insert one as well. So tasso, this will all the things take by my tasso, and then I go to the app database. So in the app database, you'll see that there is a database classes, and the task do it will take, and it has the ambition, the same one I'm following you from your class assignments as well, and the same with the data manager as well. So then I will create the task competitor as the same one you create your one, and this is my task list one. This is the handling my all the text row one as well, this one. So here it is item, click on the unit, so it will show the task competitor. And the another thing which I created for this one as well, the recycler view. So here on create view holder, parent, the task view holder item dot click on them on view binding over here as well. So then I will go to the view holder, the binding item on click, the same one which I'm telling you on the view holder one. So function dot bind task view, this is the same one as well. The update the card, like the background color is it completed, then it's go to the green one as well. This is the thing which is handling over here. So I just simply make a click button for that, and then yeah, here's my main page, my detailed start activity and the functionality of it. So first, as a binding, activity binding, data manager as a data manager, task ID, it's null. So the function on create, uh, the set the spinner, like the spinner which I use for the work and private, I make an array of it, and I will just allow to choose for that as well. I simply use the RDR for the simple item, and then I'm initializing the data manager for that. The task ID retrieve from the task ID. So the task ID I will see over here, it is 0, and I make it -4, check if it's -1 as well. So the task ID null, load task, the same one. So this is the one. Okay, it's a simple one. And now over here, this is the my calendar view which I'm toggling. So binding dot set, the once it's selected, then it will be gone. The same one I'm using it over here. Yeah, and where is calendar? Yeah. And this is the one which I'm trying. I use the calendar view listener as well. So whenever the once I created, click on the calendar date, it will be gone. So then the back button on the top of it, which I show you, which is finishing like back button working is back button. This is the update button, delete, and the cancel. The same one. The first I load the task on it. So notes, due date, and the three things I'm showing on the over here. So this is the three ones. Then the spinner, like the task type, for that I use the array adapter and string and get the position from the type task type. I and the set selection and the type. I have just created only two array of the work and the private as well. Now I turn to the save task as well. With the save task, I have titles, notes, also due date as well, task type for that as well from the string I get, and it's completed for the check mark as well. So if title is empty, then it's not allowed to do something like that. Then this is the one which I created what for the if function. If by task is the task ID title is completed, due date, due time, task type, and the notes as well. From here you will see all the ones, and then I counter scroll. If the task ID is null, then data manager add a task updated, then finish, toast, use toast, make details activity toast. The same one with the delete show as well. If the task so I let the dialog this set the delete task. Are you sure you want to delete? Just for the permission. And then it's create, then it's set the yes, then the dialog box and come to launch, and then while the task, then data manager get the ID, they take the ID and the data it will delete it, then toast the task deleted as well, and the set for, and then that's it for, and it will show the front pages for of my main activity as well. That's it. And now I come to the main activity of it. So my main activity is something like the class. My main activity privately linear binding, the data manager as well, the adapter for the making a task list. So an item click, there is a detail spread activity, so by this will take by ID, it will show like as I showed you. Then the edit button on the click, so details activity apply, task ID is edited mode. So once you will click on the edit button, it will allow you to take that particular task, and you will ready and the intended as well. So now it's down to a save instance. So on the function override, save instance bundle, the binding dot activity mode binding, inflate the layout inflate, data manager instance this, the binding dot first recycler is like that small. I will, yeah, come on man. So this is the on these ones the task date and time task over here. So this main activity over here, it will take the ID of first activity layout manager, and this will like field with that. This will load the task function is over here. So lifecycle.scope.launch variation of the variable of the task. So data manager and get all the tasks by source, adapter submit list and task so, then we'll load ask task source as well. So and this is how I will done with my assignment 4, and thank you so much for this assignment. So and now I'm closing down my screen.